Blue rhino with a green horn, big round eyes smiling warm, red fire truck in his hand, black wheels, blue windows stand, orange sky above so bright, yellow ground where he takes flight, toy truck in his tiny grip, cheerful heart begins to skip, round eyes fixed on the red, imagining where he'll head, smiling wide, no care today. In his world he leads the way. Blue rhino, green horn so bold, red fire truck, stories untold, orange sky and yellow ground, happy dreams all around, smiling wide with eyes so bright. Adventure starts here day or night. Blue rhino with the green horn, his red truck leads him home. Black will spin on yellow floor, blue window shows so much more. A world where rhinos save the day, with fire trucks leading the way. Orange sky fades to afternoon, but his joy will be here soon, holding tight his favorite toy, every girl and every boy. Blue rhino, green horn so bold, red fire truck, stories untold, orange sky and yellow ground, happy dreams all around, smiling wide with eyes so bright. Adventure starts here day or night. Blue rhino with the green horn, his red truck leads him home. Simple scene but full of cheer, a rhino's heart so pure and clear, greenhorn glowing in the light, red truck shining oh so bright, orange and yellow make the place where happiness is face to face. Blue rhino, green horn so true, red fire truck, dreams come through, orange sky and yellow ground, his happy world has just been found. Blue rhino, green horn so true.